Now, in order for these things to meet nicely to make that outside angle, that angle there, the edges all need to be chamfered slightly. So they all need to be, this one's done, this one's not done. You see that angle there? So every side of all of these big ones needs to be chamfered nicely down to an angle so that when they meet, they close, they make like a nice join, such as can be seen there, and hopefully everywhere, if everything goes smoothly once it all dries up, glues up. Because inside is also very important that it looks good. In case somebody looks inside, you want to see any unsightly gaps. So that angle is crucial, that this chamfered angle. So basically it just gets chamfered on here, like so. A bit hard to do with one hand, but then those guys should meet nicely there, and that will be a nice glue line to run some glue down and hold everything together eventually. So I've got about 84 times 5, about 420 chamfers to go. Got to chamfer all of those buppies. So I'm going to get cracking. I've got some nice rough sandpaper. This is a nice 60 grit new one, so I've got to be quite careful with it, but it doesn't waste much time and it chamfers nice and quickly. Then once those are all chamfered, these little internal pentagons will all get their edges nicely sanded, nice and smooth, and made nice and pretty. They don't get chamfered, they basically just get smoothed off because they get just glued onto the outside pentagon. And then you've got a lampshade.